affiliate marketing. It's a term that's been buzzing around the internet for years now. The idea of making money by promoting other people's products sounds appealing, but is it really as easy as it seems? Can you really make $100 a day with affiliate marketing? Well, the short answer is yes, it is possible. But like anything worth doing, it takes time, effort, and a bit of know-how. The key to making $100 a day with affiliate marketing is to choose the right products to promote. You want to find products that are in demand, have a high commission rate, and are relevant to your target audience. Once you've found the right products, the next step is to create quality content that will attract your audience and encourage them to click on your affiliate links. This could be in the form of blog posts, social media posts, videos, or even email marketing campaigns. It's important to remember that affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time to build up a following and establish trust with your audience. But if you're willing to put in the effort, the potential for earning $100 a day or more is definitely there. Another key factor in successful affiliate marketing is tracking your results. You want to know which products are performing well and which ones are not. This will allow you to make adjustments to your strategy and focus on promoting products that are generating the most revenue. One of the great things about affiliate marketing is that you can do it from anywhere in the world. As long as you have an internet connection, you can promote products and earn commissions. This flexibility makes it a great option for people who want to work from home or travel while still earning an income. There are many different affiliate marketing programs out there, so it's important to do your research and find the ones that are the best fit for you. Some programs offer higher commission rates, while others provide more support and resources for their affiliates. In conclusion, making $100 a day with affiliate marketing is definitely possible, but it's not necessarily easy. It takes time, effort, and a solid strategy to be successful in this field. However, with the right products, quality content, and a commitment to tracking your results, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business that generates a steady income. So if you're willing to put in the work, affiliate marketing could be a great way to make money online.